Broadcasting live from the beautiful Georgia World Congress Center for Fintech South 2023. It's time for Atlanta Business Radio. Now, here's your host.
Lee Cantor here, Fintech South 2023, celebrating fintech leaders from around the world. And we're so lucky to be having some of them on right now. We have Luisa Pineda, who's the CEO, and Alejandro Ciallella, who's the CTO with MPS Group. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having us here.
Well, before we get too far into things, tell us about MPS Group. How are you serving folks?
Thank you. So MPS Group, we specialize in providing customized software development solutions and talent for both small businesses and large enterprises. What sets us apart is our commitment to truly understand the unique needs of each client. We pride ourselves on offering a blend of innovative technology solutions combined with a personalized touch.
So what's the backstory? How did this whole operation get started?
Well, we started actually this year. We got a great opportunity with one of our clients, which is a Fortune company here in Atlanta, Georgia, one of the biggest airlines. And we just got the opportunity to develop some of their customer experience capabilities. So we decided let's go for it.
So what do you think is MPS's superpower?
So our superpower for sure is going to be our people. We have a great group of professionals who are constantly learning new technologies and on a constant path for personal development. Their expertise, commitment, and collaborative spirit is what drives success for our clients.
So how did you become aware of Fintech South? What made you want to come here to this conference?
I love this conference. I've been coming. This is my third year. I am part of the board of Fintech Tax Society. And I'm also co-chair for Advance Awards. So I was just presenting a couple of hours ago the Advance Awards prizes for the 5 winners. We announced the 5 winners just a couple of hours ago.
So now, what advice would you give other organizations to partner with companies in Latin America? It seems like there's a great opportunity because Latin America is so close to America, especially in the South here. What are some of the do's and don'ts when partnering with a firm in Latin America?
Well, with us, we have our CTO here, Alejandro, and he's leading the development team from Latin America. I think he can better answer that question. Ale.
Yes, hello. Thank you for having us here. I believe that the advantages that U.S. companies have in working with us are, well, the time zone, cultural alignment, great technical expertise. We have a really, truly team spirit. And finally, I think that maybe the most important is that we love to help our clients to be successful with their projects.
So how are you kind of attacking the America in terms of getting new clients? How do you make more and more companies aware of your firm and the way you can help them solve their problems?
Well, definitely things like joining the conference, being part of the boards, volunteering. I believe a lot in volunteering and connecting with the community, with the ecosystem, and just give as much as we can first, and then definitely having a great network. People can remember that we're truly here to support the ecosystem, and that's where we get most of our clients, from referrals and based on the great network that we have here in Atlanta.
Now, what's the pain a company is having where MPS is the solution? Like, what is that kind of initial point of entry?
Based on their needs. So, for example, we are working with a client that needs help with their customer experience, using technology to personalize offers to their clients. So, truly, it's all about understanding the client and a deep level and finding a customized solution for them, more than just pushing kind of like a product or a solution. We focus more on the understanding specifically what they're working on, what they need, so that we can provide a very customized solution to their needs. So we can mix between nearshore, offshore, on-site, project development. We have a very flexible approach because we want to focus on their needs more than what we are offering to them.
Now, you mentioned doing work with an airline. Do you have any industries you specialize in? Is there a niche that you have a sweet spot in?
Yes. So for airlines, that's definitely one of the industries. And fintech, just for being so connected and having such a great community of fintech companies in Atlanta. More than 200 fintech companies are here. So that's definitely an area where we have a lot of expertise as well. And I've worked before also with insurance companies. That's another good area. So I would say banking, fintech, and airlines, travel industry will be some of our main core.
So what would be a good outcome for you after this show's over, that you go back to your team and tell them this was a great show? What would you like to achieve here during these couple days at Fintech South?
Oh, I would love to be able to share with the world how what a great community do we have here in Atlanta, Georgia, in the fintech industry and overall. And even we were talking about next year, hopefully we can bring a lot of our team members from Latin America and just provide more visibility globally about the talent that we have here and of course in Latin America as well.
So if somebody wants to learn more about MPS Group, what is the coordinates? What's the website?
Perfect. Just our website is www.mps-group.us.
Well, thank you both for coming on and sharing your story. You're both doing important work, and we appreciate you.
Thank you so much for having us.
All right, this is Lee Cantor. We'll be back in a few at Fintech South 2023.